Hi, welcome to our new YouTube channel. I don't know what's the name of the channel.
NaTyMeTaL and yes, I think. Yeah,
Well,
I think.
you will find.
We'll put
the link down below. For the people that don't know us, we are NaTyMeTaL or Natty.
Yeah.
We are two Costa Rican alternative models. We also are the owners of Gorgeous Freaks magazine and store
and models.
Models and I think that's it. Oh, we're graphic designers too. Yeah. Warning. English is not our main language.
Yeah.
So we do some mistakes. Understand we speak Spanish, but we wanted to do it in English because most of our followers speak English.
So we're practicing.
Yeah. So bear with us.
Yeah.
So this is our first video. It's an unboxing video. We got this.
Yay! Where's the scissors?
Oh, sorry. The address. Don't see the address. Yeah. We got the
censor. We have to censor.
We're super excited. It's a huge box.
Oh, we got it from Forever Unicorn. We're gonna put the link of their Instagram. So you can
down
see
below. It's a store. The lady is super nice. And
accessory and clothing store.
So we're gonna open it.
Yay!
Go.
Jesus. Yay! It is like Christmas.
Let's put it down here. We'll get paper. Bags. Who do that? This is the first. Oh, sure.
Yay! Cropped up shirt for the beach.
Yay! I like the color. It's nice. Yay!
You can see it.
Second one. This has to be mine.
Yeah.
Oh god, so cool. Look at this color. It's obviously mine.
Neon color.
Fish bun. I like it.
This one. Oh, no effects. Yay!
Yay! Go for no effects.
Oh, nice.
There's a letter. Yay! This we should have read it first, but it was down. Oh god.
Scissors.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh well.
You have a little bag.
What is it? Very scary.
Yeah, we are a bit scary.
Oh!
Aww. It's a little card with a girl with a puppy. And it says, Nadia and Jess, thank you so much for modeling stuff for my store. Includes several necklaces, shirts, bracelets, and some extra goodies just for fun. I also included some perfectly posh samples and a catalog so you can read
about the
fabulous products. I hope you enjoy everything. Stay fabulous.
Gutter.
Rust. I can spell it. I'm sorry. I can read it.
Gutter trash.
Barbie?
Yeah, Barbie.
This is the card. I don't know if you can see it or if it's focused. We will leave the link down below. It says foreverunicorn.rocks. .rocks. Sorry.
More bubble paper.
Bags. Little heart bags. They're really cute.
Oh, this is the card from the Perfectly Posh.
Perfect Posh. It's like a.
I don't know if you can see it.
Catalog for like.
Put the link below.
Things. Oh, detox body mod. Stripper. I like the name. It's a little simple.
390.
It's a bag full of samples. Oh, this is like night and day.
It smells so good. So.
Oh god.
Like.
Smells like vanilla. You see, I have more samples here. This says make out magic. This I think it's like a chocolate.
Oh.
Daily grind snack.
What is
bar?
This?
Oh, it's a chocolate bar.
Nice. Wait. What? Ah, this? No, I don't have it.
Well, this is.
Oh yeah.
You have it? This is what is this? Fresh,
dark green,
natural handcraft body butter made for. Oh,
I think it's chocolate or.
It says a snack bar. See, daily grind snack.
Should we try?
I don't know.
I
If we
hope
die?
I hope it is not soap or something.
I don't know. Should we eat this? I don't know if it's edible.
I think it is soap.
It's a snack, so I don't know.
No, it is soap. Oh,
It
I
looks
want
like
a chocolate.
chocolate. So, this is the first bag. Thank you. This is all from Perfectly Posh. Hopefully we'll do a review later on with all of the samples.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Here's the back.
Hurry, because our battery is already
Here's
dying.
another one back.
Yay! The spiders.
There's a neck, like 2 bracelets.
Oh, I bet. This is so cute.
One says smile. And it's red, black, and white. And this, oh, this is really cute. This is purple, like crystals. Clear.
Oh, that.
More cards.
Oh, Jesus.
What is that?
Oh.
So our battery died, so we charged it, so we can continue. Oh, we were with this.
Oh, with the rings. Wait.
We have to move fast because the battery is dying again. Dude! We'll continue.
Yeah.
Well, Natty opens the bag.
Spiders.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh. Burger.
This is pretty cute.
Necklace. Burger necklace.
Here's another one. With opals and a little moon.
Oh, this has to be mine.
Sorry, it's like this. Here you go. Like a little furry.
And this with a pentagram. Yay! I love this.
The one. Well, it has a little skull in it. Pretty cute.
We're moving fast. And another one.
This is cute.
Oh,
Let me open it.
that's so pretty.
So pretty for my hair.
And another necklace. Spider.
Let's put the other bag.
Oh my god, so many things.
We also Halloween stickers.
Yay! And the catalog.
This is like the perfectly polished catalog.
Yeah. The cards, some more cards. This is so peanut.
Cards from fans, a bash, model, musician. You can find it on
Cards,
Twitter, Mayhem.
This is Spanx, another. Forever Unicorns.
It says, born of tragedy, fueled by chaos, forever unicorns for the oddly majestic ones. The ones who dance to the beat of their own drum, who don't fit in with the norm and don't want to. Don't ever change, just be yourself, be a unicorn forever.
Unicorn rock.
We will leave the links down below.
Yeah.
I think we have to wrap this up because the battery is dying.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. We will be posting videos more often. If you
Hopefully,
want,
yeah.
hopefully, yeah. If you want us to review any of your items, let us know. You can send us like a message via Facebook or through here. You can comment down below.
Next, we're gonna do a review for Atomic Lace and I think Twisted Cuts and
Sugar Coma.
Sugar Coma clothing. So
Stay tuned. We will be shooting more. Also remember to subscribe. The button is here.
Here.
No, here.
here.
Yeah, here. I think here.
Or
Subscribe.
here.
Share our channel, share our videos, and thank you for supporting us, and thank you for our unicorn for putting all this good stuff.
Thank you.
Yay! Bye! Bye! I will be shooting with this stuff too,
Yeah.
so stay tuned in our Facebook fan page for the pictures. I think that's it. Thank you. Bye!
Bye.